and prints its value. Number 34. Check null. Check if an object is null and print null if true. Number 35. Return from switch. Get day message string day. Uses a switch to return different string like start or end based on the day. Number 36. Varards method. Use a varards to accept multiple string argument and print them all. Number 37. Static method. Print static method and demonstrate a simple static method. Number 38. Final method. Not overridable. A final method meaning is cannot be overridden by subclasses. Synchronized method. Thread safe. A synchronized method ensure only one thread can access it at a time. Number 40. Genetic method. Print generic. Print generic value. A genetic method that works with any data types. Number 41. Nested function call simples. Calls greet and say static. Show combining multiple functions call. Number 42. Method returning enum. Static status gets okay status. Return the okay value from the status enum. Number 43. Methods with interface parameter. Return the okay value from the static enum. Run task, accept a runnable and interface for task and run it. Use it in multi-threading. Number 44. Abstract method skip and use static abstract class base. Base abstract class defines an abstract class with an abstract method do something which must be implemented by subclasses. Number 35. Interface skip in usage